Hello, this is Eric, and today I'm going to show you how you can create a SharePoint list out of an Excel workbook. So let's walk through it. I have a large Excel workbook right here. I have about 500 items here, and I want to convert this into a SharePoint list. Now you can imagine how difficult it would be for me to go and create a lot of these columns. So thankfully, SharePoint has a tool that can help you do that. And I'm going to show you how you can use that tool to your advantage. Prior to using the tool, you have to format your data as a table and make sure your cell format has been formatted properly. If you have dates, you have to format them as dates prior to importing into SharePoint. So you can do that like so. Format cells, make sure this is chosen as a date. For all the other items, that is important because you will have the option to edit those during the import. Okay, let me just format this last one. Okay, and my data is now ready to be created into a SharePoint list. So I'm going to click Save. I'm going to close this workbook. To create this into a SharePoint list, all you have to do is navigate to Site Contents, click New, List. From here we click From Excel. Now we click Upload File. Here I'm going to pick my workbook called Mock Data. Click Open. And if you have multiple tables within your workbook, you can choose which tables to use here. And now you will choose the data types for each column. This one will become a title. This one will be a single line of text. And please review through each column, make sure that the data type matches the data. See, for example, my dates are formatted as numbers. Let's switch that out. My status is not a single line of text, but it's more of a choice. Let's do that. And prior to creating, you have to give it a name. All I have to do is click Create. Then SharePoint will begin creating your list. Might take a couple of minutes, especially if it has a lot of items like mine. Once it's done, you will automatically be taken to your new list. And here you can see that the columns have been created, the data has been populated, and you're into a SharePoint list. And that'll be it. That's how you import an Excel workbook into a SharePoint list. Thank you.